Hey guys, it's me, Savvy. And today I'm gonna do a snowflake wintry look. I already have my lipstick on because you'll see in another video I'm doing lip swatches of Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. This is the color Soulmate, and I'm just gonna keep it on for the wintry look. Might as well not take it off, right? So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna use my Morphe Pride palette for this, and I'm deciding to do my eyes first. I'm gonna use the colors probably Parade and Peace, which are these, this greenish and this blue. So this is the color Art and this is Parade. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease and apply Peace. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my face makeup, pop on some lashes, and draw some snowflakes on with, again, the famous Drug Lord color, because this is my favorite thing to use other than lipstick. It's lipstick, but I don't use it for lipstick. Alright, there's the finished look. There's the two snowflakes. My eyelashes are even glittery to make the effect of snow falling. So yeah, this is my snowflake look. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!